Hello everyone! In this video, you are going to learn about dividing integers with different signs. There are different ways on how to write a division sentence. For examples, we have 6 divided by -3 is equal to -2. In this example, we use the fraction bar to indicate division. For the second example, we use the obolus to indicate division. Let's have the parts of a division sentence. For example, we have 6 divided by -3 is equal to -2. In this example, 6 is the dividend. -3 is the divisor. And -2 is the quotient. Quotient is the answer in division. Let's have the rule for dividing integers with different signs. Integers with different signs have negative quotient. Different signs refer to dividend and divisor, wherein one is positive and the other one is negative. For example, we have 6 divided by -3. In this example, the dividend is positive 6 and the divisor is -3. So the dividend and the divisor in this example have different signs. Let's divide integers with different signs. For examples, -20 divided by 10 is equal to -2. -72 divided by 8 is equal to -9. 2 divided by -1 is equal to -2. 28 divided by -4 is equal to -7. -36 divided by 6 is equal to -6. Please take note that quotients are negative because the dividend and the divisor have different signs. Now, for your practice, try this activity. Divide the integers below. Feel free to pause this video while you answer and play it again to check your answers. Let's check your answers. For number 1, the answer is -16. For number 2, the answer is -23. For number 3, the answer is -5. For number 4, the answer is -18. For number 5, the answer is -24. For number 6, the answer is -17. For number 7, the answer is -14. For number 8, the answer is -35. For number 9, the answer is -3. And for number 10, the answer is -28. How many correct answers did you get? I hope that you got all of these correctly. You've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you learned something today, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell button for you to get updates of the new videos. With that, see you again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.